Welcome. Here's what we're going to talk about today. We just had a short amount of time to do it, but I'm going to share a lot of exciting information with you on how to unlock LinkedIn and generate thousands of leads on autopilot. So now what I want you to do is type in the chat, what do you think every business struggles with? Yes, the answer is lead generation, of course. And the best B2B lead generation platform on earth is LinkedIn, with 600 million plus users in 200 plus countries worldwide. Now, what we're going to talk about today is one of these three ways to unlock LinkedIn. The three ways are how to grow your connections, explode beyond LinkedIn, and finally, what we're going to talk about today is how to generate leads on autopilot. And stay for your free software gift at the very end. Let me tell you my LinkedIn story. In 2000, I quit corporate America. In 2001, I quit corporate America to start up a Netflix-like startup, but 3 months after I left, the stock market crashed back in 2000, and we were unable to raise any more money. I started up a mortgage company, sold it off in 2007, went and helped a software company to raise capital. I left that software venture in 2009. In 2010, I discovered B2C lead generation, started helping medical offices generate more patients online. In 2013, I discovered do-it-yourself LinkedIn lead generation tools. And in 2014, decided to launch a done-for-you LinkedIn lead generation service, which we've been running for almost going on 6 years. So I'm in the done-for-you lead generation business on LinkedIn. This is my profile on LinkedIn. If you see me on there, you'll see exactly what I do on LinkedIn. And the reason why I'm showing you all this is to show you that you should listen to me when I'm talking about LinkedIn, because we have built a very successful business doing done-for-you lead generation on LinkedIn for other businesses. Now, this is just part of our team in the Philippines, headed up by my partner, David Chevalier. David actually relocated to the Philippines at the beginning of the year to have more interaction with our team there and to manage our growing operations. I've been asked to speak about LinkedIn in a variety of different venues, just like today. I rank in the top 1% most viewed profiles on LinkedIn each year. I rank number one for a variety of lead generation related keywords on LinkedIn. And I also rank on the first page of Google for a variety of LinkedIn and lead generation keywords as well. We've had some illustrious clients in our many years doing this, such as Michael Gerber, the world's #1 small business guru, and also Tim Brown, who's in the Pro Football Hall of Fame and also is a Heisman Trophy winner. Now I show you the following earnings just simply to prove to you that in fact we are making money doing LinkedIn lead generation, and we're making great income doing that. And so this is proof that in fact I know what I'm talking about. That's why I'm showing it to you. So let's now talk about you. Imagine what your life would be like if you had a steady stream of highly qualified leads who search for you on LinkedIn. Imagine if you were getting close to 1,000 searches each week, just like this week, where I had 1,005 searches, this week where I had 2,298 searches, and this week had almost 4,000 searches of my profile on LinkedIn. Now, when you have this number of searches, you have a lot of people visiting your landing page or your profile on LinkedIn. So it's driving a lot of traffic to your landing page where you talk about your offer. Now, the result of having all these people come to your landing page or profile on LinkedIn is a lot of people end up opting in to network with you. Okay, they also end up emailing you, sending you emails like this. In my case, it's about done-for-you lead generation services. They book meetings with you on your calendar. Now, we use Calendly, and so you end up getting notifications from Calendly talking about the meetings being set up by other people automated in an automated fashion. They also send you messages inside of LinkedIn. LinkedIn sends out emails telling you that you have a message. And then, of course, inside of LinkedIn, you get the message copy and text as well so that you can network and respond directly with your prospects who want to talk to you. They even pick up the phone and call you. And you end up getting messages like this, where someone wants you to call them back to talk to you about your product or service. Right? That's all because they want to talk to you about your product or service. Now let me show you how to generate leads on autopilot. That was one of the 3 key ways to accomplish this. Now, number 1, there's 3 key things about generating leads on autopilot. And the first thing that you need to understand is LinkedIn is the number 1 B2B lead source and why it's number 1. As we said, there are more than 600 million users in 200 plus countries worldwide inside of LinkedIn. I'm going to show you a series of charts talking about why LinkedIn is so effective. Okay, it is ranked as the most effective lead source, and this is comparing all social media platforms. It's the most productive lead source for all social media platforms. It's the best, ranked by a number of top marketers. It's number 1 most used lead channel by B2B marketers. It has the best lead response rate. It's the best at driving lead traffic to corporate websites. It's the best at pre-sales and also post-sales engagement of all social media. Now, number 2, LinkedIn has a secret marketing system. And let me explain that to you. In order to have success online in driving traffic and driving sales, you need 3 key things. You need traffic, you need a place to send the traffic, and you need a way to convert that traffic into profit or revenue. LinkedIn has this same 3-component system inside of it. Okay, and how it works inside of LinkedIn is you drive targeted LinkedIn traffic to the optimized profile, which is your landing page inside of LinkedIn, and then you need to basically send people to take action. You need to identify what action that people need to take who land on your landing page in order to convert that traffic into profit. So make sure that you understand the secret marketing system, because not many people talk about it with respect to what's inside of LinkedIn. And number 3, you can use LinkedIn to generate Google leads and traffic as well. Remember my number 1 ranking both inside of LinkedIn and outside. So this is the top of my landing page or profile, and up top here you see more or less a banner ad, right, to grab people's attention and send them and to take a look at my profile proper. By having a good profile that's optimized and by driving traffic to it, you can end up on page 1 of Google as a result of the authority associated with the LinkedIn domain. So let me ask you, now that you know that LinkedIn is the number 1 B2B lead gen opportunity on the planet, why aren't you using it in your business? Why aren't you using it to get prospects to talk to you about your product or service? Well, today is your lucky day, because I'm going to show you the 7 secrets to generating thousands of LinkedIn leads on autopilot. Okay, that can ultimately help you to easily rank number 1 on LinkedIn and Google in your market. So let's walk through those 7 steps. The first is you need a plan. You need to develop a plan for utilizing LinkedIn in your business. The second is you need to target your ideal prospects on LinkedIn. Okay, there are ways of understanding how this database works and what the selects are, and there are some specific rules and best practices to follow to get the best search results for your business. Step number 3 is optimizing your landing page. Okay, and taking advantage of SEO optimization inside of the LinkedIn system. Step number 4 is to drive traffic to your landing page. Okay, after you've got an optimized landing page based upon best practices associated with SEO on your LinkedIn profile, now you need to drive traffic to it. And there are indirect ways to drive leads. First, the steps for that are determine your keywords, optimize your landing page or profile associated with those keywords, and then drive views to it. Because LinkedIn has this search system inside of it. People search for people that can solve problems for them. So remember all those searches that I appeared in, right? Well, if you just simply optimize your landing page or profile along with the keywords that people are looking for, people that can provide solutions like yours, then you just need to drive traffic, and LinkedIn will deliver a lot of traffic as a result of being inside of their search engine. The direct ways to drive leads are you can send out connections. Okay, so that's another way that you can drive leads. And the third way to drive leads is to basically get outside of LinkedIn. That was one of our 3 key ways. So step 5 is you need to convert that traffic. When people land on your landing page, you need to tell them how to take action on your offer. Step 6 is to automate these processes. And finally, step 7 is to implement this consistently. In order to really take advantage of the power of LinkedIn, you have to implement this consistently. So remember, you want to put this lead marketing system on autopilot, right? You want to drive traffic, targeted LinkedIn traffic based upon the search that you've created inside LinkedIn. You want to send that to an optimized profile or landing page. Remember, we talked about that. And then you want to convert this traffic into profit. If you do this right, you can generate a steady stream of targeted qualified leads who will search for you, even as much as 1,000 per week, right? 2,000, 3,000, almost 4,000 a week. You're going to get hundreds of profile views, people landing on your landing page inside LinkedIn. A lot of them are going to end up wanting to network with you. And if you targeted your highly ideal prospects, what you've got is your prospect clients that are reaching out to you to network with you. They're emailing you, booking meetings with you on your calendar, sending you LinkedIn messages, and even picking up the phone and calling you, all because they want to talk to you about your product or service. So to get your special gift, it's a free BizX software. Now, BizX software will help you to generate thousands of LinkedIn profile views. One of the keys to generating all this traffic, right, and getting people to look at your profile. So this free software, all you do is go to getbizx.com and you give us your email, and then we'll send you the download link. You install the software and you implement it from there. We'll provide some training as well. Now, BizX also does another key thing. It allows you to download your first level connection emails. LinkedIn stopped allowing you to do that last year, but with this special BizX software, you'll be able to go ahead and get the emails of your first level connections as well. So to get free BizX software, just go to getbizx.com.